Welcome to one of our newest videos on our channel, where I just want to be talking about an NVIDIA option that I think is misleading a lot of users and basically doing more harm than good, to be honest. I saw a lot of videos where people try to boost their FPS with NVIDIA graphics card with certain options. A lot of them do help, but some of these options can make a lot of harm, make your GPU crash, the games, make it overheat, and basically just not kill your graphics card, but basically just make it last less. I mean, 99% of people have used graphics cards. We want to have a graphics card that works properly, uses as less power as possible with as much power as possible, and basically, I'm not saying to users that know what they're doing and put this option on for some reason specific, but I'm just talking about the average gamer and graphics cards. We want to have a graphics card that works properly, uses as less power as possible with as much power as possible, and basically, I'm not saying to users that know what they're doing and put this option on for some reason specific, but I'm just talking about the average gamer and the basic users of PCs. So basically, how you get into the NVIDIA options control panel is you right click on the desktop and you go here, NVIDIA control panel. I have it open here. We should open the program like this. So how do we get to this option right now is go to manage 3D settings, and we want to scroll down. We have a lot of options here, which in one of the next videos I'm going to be explaining in detail what they are, but right now I just want to hit on this topic right here. So we go down here and we get to this power management mode. This is the option that I'm having issues with. In some cases it can even crash games. Basically, the graphics card gets overheated or basically clocks it up to a speed that doesn't even make any sense. It can glitch out and it doesn't really do anything. To be honest, it doesn't even get any performance. So let me just basically, once you click here, there are three options here: optimal power, that's the default; adaptive and prefer maximum performance. Usual videos on NVIDIA control panel options, they all tend to say prefer maximum performance is the best performance mode, get the most FPS and all that kind of stuff. But let me just explain to you what this actually does. Every graphics card has a specific clock speed that they can work, and they slow down and go up once the graphics card needs it. And basically, what this does basically is just pushes the graphics card to any GPU test that it goes at 100% basically clock speed. That just doesn't make any sense, because the load of certain games is completely different. You don't want a game that's completely non-dependent on the GPU. You don't want to have the GPU work 100% for nothing. So this is gonna enable the GPU to basically work in menus, loading screens, even when you're looking at the sky or a specific scene that doesn't even have 100% GPU requirement. It's not even that beefy for your GPU. It's just some rendering or something simple. If you have a beefier GPU like mine, it's a bit older, it's 1080 Ti, but it still has a lot of power even in 2022. So basically, prefer maximum performance is a bad thing to use. I'm not saying, of course, for users that know what they're doing and they have a specific purpose for this. For gamers, we want to use adaptive. Why is that? Because, well, optimal power basically downclocks the GPU for nothing, just so kind of saving more battery. But adaptive is the best one of these if you want a stable gaming experience and basically the best performance out there. What this is going to do is basically make your graphics card power management mode go smart. It's going to use it when it has to. If the GPU is not really, it doesn't really need that much, the game doesn't really require that much of a GPU, it's going to downclock it, and basically in desktop and all these other applications this can help with crashes. It's going to make the game probably more stable and everything, the graphics card. So this can be a quick fix for basically game crashes. I hope this helps you out. If you have any issues more, please comment and subscribe. I'm going to be making another video here on the complete options of the NVIDIA control panel, and I'll see you in the next one.